Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add money to Chime card from Cash App. In order to do so, the best and the most convenient way is to simply link your Chime card or your Chime bank account with Cash App. So in order to do so, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application, and once you are on this page, you will have to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be landed on this Your Account page where you just have to scroll down and then you need to select the option of Linked Banks. In the linked banks, you will have to click on the option of Link Bank Account. Then, in order to link your bank account, it will show you some of the instructions and some of the agreement that you need to read. So, you will have to read the information that is given on this page, and after that, you will have to press continue in the bottom. Then it will ask you to select your institution. So over here among the given banks, you will have to find Chime. In order to find it, you will have to tap on the search bar in the top and you simply need to type Chime. Once done, you will be able to see Chime as one of the options. So you will have to tap on Chime and then you will be redirected on the Chime website where you will have to log in into your Chime account by providing your email address and your password. Then, after following further on screen instructions, you just have to link your Chime bank account with your Cash App account. Now, once you successfully linked your Chime bank account with Cash App, you will be able to easily use it to add money on Chime card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.